Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, select the power button from the bottom right here, and choose power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power and the volume down at the same time. And this will automatically boot us into boot mode. Now I believe this is also considered as fast boot mode, which you can see right at the bottom. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options that will appear right over here. Start will take us back to Android. Restart bootloader does absolutely nothing because it just brings us back here. Recovery mode takes us obviously to recovery mode. Power off option, bootloader logs, barcode, start. So we're back to the first option. So there we go. Now, like I mentioned, you navigate using volume keys and you confirm using power key. So I'm gonna confirm the start. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.